It's very interesting to start anything new. It's literally giving birth to a little child. And when we started this school, I remember asking our then chairman and now our managing trustee that what was the premise on which he wanted the school to be built. And he gave me one word, and that was Agrani. And we added Sadaiv to it. And that is how the school was built. Sadaiv Agrani means forging ahead. A very important aspect of education was given to me by my chairman, Mr. Lakshmi Narayan Goyal, and that was Sanskar. And I think what really differentiated the school from other schools was the Sanskar our children had, And I gave a phrase to it that we want our children to be able and noble. But for me, nobility comes first. So that is what helped us give an impetus to the school. Impact is a very important word because if you don't have that ripple effect into society, the job of a school or the focus of a school gets mitigated. So I can tell you that we have lots of activities or outreach programs which help the students address each aspect of society. But more importantly, they also have entrepreneurial ventures. One of our students recently got the Lady Diana Award, and both Prince Harry and Prince William were there to felicitate her. It was an online program or ceremony, but it's a proud moment for us that Sanvi Dhingra was chosen from India for this prestigious award. So, this makes me feel that the children are ready for the real world, because the objective of education is to prepare them for the real world, and we call that transversal education in our school, because every school imparts knowledge, every school imparts experiences. That's why it's called experiential learning. But this school imparts employability skills. That's why it's called transversal education.
Attending this school has been a transformative experience for me. The teachers go above and beyond to inspire us and challenge us, fostering a love for learning.
Being a part of this school means being a part of a vibrant community, which encourages us to explore our passions and make a positive impact in society.
Suncity School is dedicated towards shaping a well-rounded personality, a child with broad perspective, with confidence, with excellent communication skills and emotional resilience. To get this effect, we embrace the theory of multiple intelligences at the core of our curriculum.
So our school lays a lot of emphasis on holistic education and character development. We again put a lot of emphasis on nurturing leaders who can make the society a better place to live in, leaders who are more compassionate about society, about people.
Inside the classrooms, e-learning is facilitated through spacious, ergonomically designed, air-conditioned spaces with air purifiers. The ultra-modern labs, equipped with cutting-edge technologies, including the well-stocked Discovery and Montessori labs, provide young children with a stimulating environment to develop their motor skills and concentration.
Outdoor games such as skating, basketball, tennis, soccer, cricket and hockey are made available to the students to instill qualities of team spirit and camaraderie in them. We have a majestic semi-Olympic sized swimming pool accompanied by experienced teachers who encourage children to overcome their fears and inhibitions. The modern indoor gymnasium prepares students for lifetime challenges.
It is very important for a school to be connected with its stakeholders. And this school has particularly focused, and we are blessed that we have an ERP solution through NTAB, and this is not a relationship which is of 1 year or 2 years. It is a relationship of 17 years. NTAB is a big name to reckon with today, and we have had this relationship, and they have always tried their best to cater to our needs, So they have gone out of their way to develop certain solutions for our needs, like copy correction online and things like that. So we are blessed to have them as an associate.
The refectory, where communal meals are served, has an open kitchen which adheres the high standards of hygiene and cleanliness. The daily food preparation here follows the high standards of parameters, and also we maintain the stringent parameters for the well-being of the students.
Safety and security are paramount at Suncity School. We are proud of being the first school to adopt the state-of-the-art evo-tag system. We follow an always-on GPS-enabled child security, location tracking and communication platform, ensuring safe commutes for each and every student.
In spite of looking after the 4 schools, that's one thing I've not given up, teaching. Because I believe the reason I'm here is because of the children. I think my relationship with them is of buddy, because in my classes, from sex to menstrual cycles to your relationships, we discuss everything. I play hockey with them because I'm a hockey player. I'm a sports person basically. So these things are very important to build a relationship, because when you teach in the class, you're just teaching. When you're outside, you're building relationships and building characters. And that is my focus and my connection with my children, building relationships.
As we march forward, we look to the future
with optimism and a determination to continue shaping young minds,
fostering dreams and leaving an indelible mark on society.
Our school's journey continues, and together we strive to create a better tomorrow.